we are going to continue with our tutorial on how to design an SBA system for your school. Okay, and so we are continuing with MasterSheet JHS1. By the grace of God, we have been able to finish with our registry for JHS1. We are done with this. Okay, we are done with our registry for JHS2. We are done with registry for JHS3. Okay, and we are done with the JHS records, JHS records 2, JHS records 3. Now there is one thing I added that I want to show you before I continue. You see, when you come to the registry, in calculating for the total score, I used a different format where when I tap on equal to, I will have to go to JHS1 records, then I'll type in the cell name, let's say DC3, like DC3, then I added a plus. Okay, but then I have changed it to this simple formula. Okay, so you see it is equal to JHS1 C DG3. Okay, DG3, and they will be DG4. That's how I did it. When you come to the JHS1 records, okay, I did the totals here. So I extended the table, and this is how you extend the table. Okay, when you select the table, you go to table design, you go to resize table, then you change the name. You see DG, so I want to add DH, then you click on OK. Then DH will be added to the table. I get it. Good. So you can do that to add more to the tables. So after I did that, then I came to do the calculations here. You see, I summed the value in K3, which is the totals, up to DC. You see, DC, which is DC3, and I got the summation here. Then I only came to the JHS. I only came to the records, JHS1, the registry, JHS1 registry. You see, then I only tapped on equal to. Then I came to JHS1 records. Then I selected DG. I didn't even pick it from here. If you select it, it will change it to table name. I don't want the table name, so I only typed in DJ3. Then I click on enter. Okay, then it calculated for me. Every place will be calculated for me. So I just want the name. I don't want the table name. Good. So that is that. Now let's go to the registry, the master sheet, and see what is there. This is our master sheet. Okay, the master sheet contains the SN, the name, school address, motto, email, class form, number on roll, district, region, academic year, total attendance, vacation, reopening, total score, positioning, people's attendance, promotion, conduct, attitude, teachers' remarks, class teachers' remarks, and 50% from all the subjects CA, 50% from all the subject exam, the total of all the subject total exams and card, the grading for all the subject, and the position, and the remarks for all subjects. These are the things we need on the report card. That is why it is here, because the things here are going to appear on the report card. So how do we bring the values here? So we just want the numbering. So it's equal to, this is for JHS1, so it's equal to, we go to registry, we pick JHS1, then we select this one. Okay, then we click on enter, so that the numbering will just I didn't select the first cell. This it should always come at 3, so that it will just move on. So I just referred from registry, and the names too, you refer from registry. Okay, you refer from registry. Okay, but then you see since I didn't add proper, look at what has happened. Okay, and this is what I talked about. I don't want it in this way. Okay, I don't want it in this way. So let me delete it. I want it to be in the actual name. Oh shit. Delete all. Good. I don't want it in table names. I want it in the cell, the actual name at the tabs. Okay, so it's equal to registry JHS1. And what is the cell name for the LAI-Tek? B3. Okay, so B3. Then I click on enter. Then it will come like this, so that it will be something like this, because I don't want the table name. Okay, so let me center it, or let me send it to this place, and let me center only the name. Okay, I hope you get it. Good. Now I want it to be in a proper way, so I just come here, I type proper, bracket open, then I come and close the bracket, so that when the name comes here, the name will be in a proper way. Okay, it will be in a proper way. Let me add a third name and see. Yao. Plus, I don't know. Okay, it has come. But the name will be in a proper way like this. Okay, good. So let me go back and delete the Yao. Good. So as you type in the name at the registry, it will appear over here. Okay. It will appear over here. It will appear over here. Good. It will appear over here. So it's very simple. It's very simple. Now let's continue. Let's go to the school name. The school name will be taken from the settings. So it's equal to settings. Okay. The school name. We define the school name. The school name. Yeah, the school name is this one. So we select this one. Okay. N23. Okay. Then you click on enter. So it will come here like this. Then let us send it to this place. Okay, let me put it at the side. So the school name will come like this. Okay. So the school name is gotten from the settings. Let me lock the column so that won't change. Okay. This one too, I can lock here so that the name, the cell name, the column value won't change. That the B won't change. The school address too, it is as settings. So it's equal to, go to settings, school address. Good. That is it. Okay. Then enter. Okay. You see, it has picked the others. That is why you need to make sure you lock this one, so that it won't change. You see. So it means with this one, I need to even lock both the number. I need to lock the number so that it will all be 23. So this one I have to also lock the row number so that all will be 23. If you don't lock it, it will pick the subsequent cells. Do you get it? Good. You can bring it the alignment. Bring it to left. So let's go to the school motto. The school motto will need a larger space. So the school motto is equal to settings. The school motto. This one. Okay. So it is I-19. So let's lock it, and let's also lock this one. Let's click on enter. Good. So you see, all will be 1919. All will be 1919. Now let's go to the next one. The school contact is equal to settings. settings, school contact. Where is school contact? I've not rearranged it well, so I didn't bring. Okay, school contact. So let me lock relative reference. Let's call relative reference. Enter. Okay, so that is that. So anytime you enter there, to come here, the school email, settings, school email address. Good. Let me lock this one, and let me also lock this one. Enter. Good. So that is that. School contact. For the master sheet, when you do this one, you just copy the rest. That is all. The class of form is equal to settings. So the class of form, we are doing for JHS1, so you pick only JHS1, then you lock it. Use the $ to lock it, so to only for JHS1. Okay. Then you come to the term or semester, settings, then JHS1. You lock it. You tap on enter. You see, since I chose 3, the 3 has come. So it's very simple. The number on row is equal to settings. We are picking the first one for JHS1. So you lock it. Good. Now the district. Go to settings. The district. Municipal district. So you lock that one too. I hope you are gradually following. Good. You see, since as a teacher you need to know how to do this and help you in computing your class result and all those stuffs. Okay. What are we going to work out? The region. Okay. The region. If you have a class of 40 and you are in primary, you are going to fill report cards for all these 40 people manually, which is very burdensome and time wasting. In this computerized era, you need to you need to use Excel computer to, since even now we all have the TM1 laptop, so you can it will help you reduce the workload. Even if you write, this will compute for you. You just write it. That is all. And schools needs to adopt this modern way of giving students reports. Okay, it's very nice. In my school, I initiated it and it was very good. Total attendance. It was very good. It reduced pressure and wastage of time on writing report for this number of students, 40 people in the class, and you're in primary school, teaching at the primary level. Look at the burden you put on yourself. So students might or would get report even before they vacate, not after vacation. Vacation date. Okay, vacation date. You see, at your end you can arrange it well. Okay. Reopening date.